Hello, my name is Sebastián San Pedro. I am a student de Unidad Educativa Técnico Salesiano. My teacher is Licenciada Paola Paredes. I am the course is 10C. Vocabulary, adventure, travel, and grammar. Present perfect with already, just, and yet. I am going to present you about adventure travels. Is the go backpacking, is mochilero. Go on a cruise, es viaje en crucero. Go ballooning, is viaje globo aerostático. Go mountain biking, is de subir la montaña en bicicleta. Go rafting, es un viaje en kayak. Go on a safari, es ir al safari con los animales. Go sailing, es un viaje en velero. Go to summer camp, es un campamento de verano. Go rock climbing, es de subir la montaña, subir la montaña. Now I am going to present about the present perfect. Is the past participle is already after the auxiliary or at the end of the sentence. Is the negative, is the plus subject, plus have not has, not, más past participle. Plus is the subject plus have has plus past participle. If the question is have has plus subject plus past participle. Already, we use already when an action happens sooner than expected. Example, I have already finished my book. Just, we use just an action happened recently. Example, I have just eaten breakfast. Yet, we use yet when we done an action will happen soon. Example, I have eaten lunch yet. Example, just, yes, I have just been to Italy. They have just bought a new car. Already, the conference has begun and he is already speaking. And 2, has the lesson already started? Yet, no, I haven't been to Italy yet. We can't see them from here yet. Thank you.